Good evening everybody, or should I say hello, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time of day it is from where you're watching. It's September the 5th, 2021. It's about 20 degrees and it is coming up to 8 o'clock in the evening. I'm down on Bournemouth beach. We've just had the air show down here, so I thought I would come down and see what's cracking. So basically everyone's packing up, but there's still a little bit of a vibe down here. I came down yesterday. If you look at my previous video, my last upload, I came down and it was absolutely heaving. I've had over 1 million people here this weekend. So the plan is to walk from where I am now all the way down past these funfair rides and try and get to the end of the pier. So yeah, let's go. So in all honesty, I was hoping I was going to see a night display, but they make the brochures quite difficult to get hold of. Nothing's online, no times, nothing. So yeah, I kind of missed it. But look at this sunset, it's just spectacular. Unfortunately yesterday they had an accident with one of the biplanes down at Sandbanks, which is right down that way. And yeah, one of them managed to go into the water. Luckily nobody was killed, which is good. It's crazy. And then 10 years ago someone was killed at the Bournemouth Air Show, one of the Red Arrows, very famous set of airplanes that fly together. So yeah, and they were marking the 10th anniversary of that. So do you know what's incredible is actually surprising how quickly all of this gets taken down. But yesterday this was absolutely heaving. Don't know about you guys, when I was a kid I used to absolutely love the fun fair, until I realised they can be quite dangerous places. You see the fun fairs packing up now. Surprising how quick they can get these down. Crazy. What's going on this thing?
It's the last ride tonight, just one more ride fully closed. Come on, join the staff, you riding?
Well, that ride is £5. That is incredibly expensive. This one looks like it's stuck upright.
Come on, let's go. 2 seats if you'd like to ride.
And all of a sudden, we're a bit closer to the pier. Light is absolutely stunning. Red Arrows merchandise. If you've never seen the Red Arrows, Google them. Honestly, they're so good. Just incredible. I think they were saying yesterday they were reaching speeds and they cross each other at 100 foot and they're reaching speeds of 700 miles an hour, which is just crazy, isn't it? Load of people getting drunk over here on a Sunday night. Everyone's got work tomorrow, so I suspect a few hangovers. Lights look really cool at night. People getting drunk. Loco. See the funfair rides are still going over there. Wow, this evening is stunning. You just look at this. We get out of the way of this artificial light. Look at that. 5th of September 2021. You know it's probably going to start getting cold after this one, after today. Although I think we're due some extreme heat next week. Or this week, shall I say, as it is now. Or will be. It's one of those perfect evenings where there's literally no wind. Lovely. Look at that. So this up here, this thing here, that is a zip wire that goes don't know if you can see the cables, but it goes all the way down onto the beach. You can just see the cables running down here. I haven't done that yet, but it'd be quite cool to do. You've got a bar slash restaurant. Looks quite cool in there. Oh, I just wonder what that was. So all this here, all over here, would have been full of boats today. And yesterday, Friday and Thursday. Just look at that. It'd be a good time to get out on the kayak now.
Sunset.
Just realised there's like 3 people in that bar. Everyone's down on the beach. Cannot get enough of that sunset. It's just incredible. One last look at the sunset. Oh, straighten it up a bit. There we go. Just incredible. Usually you have to pay to get on this pier. £1.30, families £4.20. I think that's quite expensive. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to end the video here. Just a short one. I hope you enjoyed that. You can see any more of this sunset and the people on the beach really losing light now. I'll see you on the next video.